The container recipe edit screens and calibrating for drums and container. These screens allow you to create customized settings for the type of container being pumped from. Note, an empty drum will be needed for defining these settings. You will also set pressures for the ram controls and use the ram up, hold, jog, and down to move the ram to the desired locations to set the container top, low, and bottom measurements. Ram control up, the hold, the jog down, and the full down. We're going to be setting the container top, the low, and the bottom. First, position the drum and use the manual controls to lower the platen into the drum until the top lip of the platen is at the same height as the top of the drum. Press Set Container Top to store that location. Next, lower the platen until the platen would be at a level considered to be the low level for operation. Press Set Container Low to store the location. Finally, lower the platen until the platen is on the bottom of the drum. Press Set Container Bottom to store the location. Note, this location setting will instruct the pump to stop, deflate the seal, and raise the platen if auto raise is selected. Important note, save the current values displayed. If the screen is exited without saving, any changes made to the screen will not be saved.